Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to do Maya Easter Egg Citadel. Begin by opening your Maya scene and locating the Citadel model in the outliner so you can isolate it. Next, enable display layers and hide unrelated geometry to focus on the Easter egg area. Always save a new incremental version before edits so you can revert if needed, and keep a simple checklist for the steps you will follow. In this video, I will show how to do Maya Easter Egg Citadel. Start by freezing transformations on all Citadel pieces and deleting history to avoid unwanted deformations. Rename objects using a clear convention so you can track parts like walls, towers, and props easily. Group related meshes for easier selection, and prepare UVs for any texture work, keeping your scene tidy and efficient for the next sculpting or texturing steps. In this video, I will show how to do Maya Easter Egg Citadel. Pick a subtle, accessible spot within the Citadel that players might discover through exploration, like a tucked corner or rooftop ledge. Model or texture a small unique prop or symbol to serve as the Easter egg and position it so it reads at game camera distance. Tweak local lighting to create a soft hint without making the secret obvious to first-time viewers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.